SkyWeek Spain, as you can see, there's a bit of wind about, but it's super smooth here. We're at Lake Bornos, and we're going to fly here this morning, and then we're going to head either to the coast or to Ronda. We're not sure yet. It's really nice temperature as well, 30 degrees during the day, nice kind of cool 15, 16 at night, and yeah, we're going to get people flying.
Pretty much everyone has flown. I think we've got 2 more pilots who we need to get up.
So I have been flying around the most amazing setting.
Unbelievable. I mean, look at the conditions, so you can't get much better.
Staying nice and close to the ground. In fact, at one point, I was told off for being too close to the ground.
A pretty good landing, not perfect, but landed on my feet and I feel fantastic.
I realised just how very sensitive the inputs need to be.
Great, awesome flight. Saw the flamingos, watched them take off on the lake, flew around.
SkyWeek Spain's got off to a fantastic start at Lake Bornos. We're now going to break camp, pack all the kit and head on down to the coast at Soto Grande. And after a few days there, it's looking even better at one of my favourite flying sites in the whole of Europe, Conil de la Frontera. Anything else? What happened?
The great leader told me to change my spark plug. That's what I blame it on. I have no idea what's happening. Engine just stalled, landed, called Alex for help, and here he is, in more trouble.
And now we've called in the Land Air Sea Rescue to come and dig us out of this very soft sand. We've let the tyres down, we've dug it out a little bit, but we now need some manpower. Backup has arrived.
Okay. You're turning now.
Technique we learned in Oman for all the vehicles we got stuck there, but the suspension is not really working. 3, 2, 1, go. The situation is success. Just don't want to stick and it's stuck again. It's never a dull day on a SkyWeek. We got it out and it just shows you the power of a bit of teamwork. And also, very cool the fact they got to fly in. So now they're going to take off and fly back to camp. You see them there?
Yahoo! Perfect conditions. 10 pilots in the air, I think. I was the last one, but Rocket 3 trims out, just overtook everyone on the way back. So I'm a happy boy. I want to get back up now. Shouldn't be on the ground.
Epic adventure. Just epic, the Mediterranean, the view, the water, the day, the wind, the people, amazing.
What an unreal experience. That is probably the best thing I've done in my entire life. Sick. And I've done a lot of cool stuff.
Amazing flight, really, I was more relaxed than ever and just really enjoyed it. It's brilliant, absolutely loved it.
Hopefully get another flight in today.
So we're coming to the second half of the trip at the moment. We've had a great time flying around the beaches here near Alcadesa and Soto Grande, got Gibraltar behind us. And the guys are now going to go on an epic cross country and meet us at Conil de la Frontera.
What happened? Well, we had to turn back. We had some serious turbulence
and above it was so windy. We had 20k wind, headwind. One of the guys with 28, he was pinned. He's like, guys, I go nowhere. I'm going sideways now. Like, turn back, turn back.
Well, we got an A for effort. We were going about 10 kilometers forward and 80 kilometers sideways, and there's a huge mountain range, and we decided to turn around, especially after Cooper goes, I'm not going anywhere, guys, let's turn around. So we had to turn around. There's way too much wind up there.
What should we do now? We're on the radars going, let's think about this for 5 minutes. We're all just hovering there, not moving, thinking, right, what plan now? And I was like, maybe Tarifa, and I turned, I'm like, no, we're not going to Tarifa. So then I was like, right, Tav, what do you do from here? I don't think we've got many options. I think back to Santa Margarita or Bunker Beach is about as good as it's going to get somehow here, I think.
I heard Terry had the prop covers on when he started.
I just completely forgot to take them off. And then poor Zeb from the sky, it just looked as if the props exploded. He said, oh God, what's happened there?
Yeah, I was just passing, I'm like, that's us. Mission is aborted. And then I realized it was a prop cover. Well, shows you. Pre-flight checks, huh?
Oscar and I were looking at each other. I said, don't say a word. Just concentrate. Leave him.
He didn't know.
He didn't know at all. I just let him go.
We are talking about you, man.
Prop covers. I managed to take mine off.
They got a call from their central sort of control area because it's quite a sort of active, hot drug spot. So they thought we were some kind of drug smugglers on paramotors, and yeah. So basically, no, they just wanted to check our ID, make sure that we were all fairly normal. You kind of look like one. and that's pretty much it. And then they were happy. They were happy with what they saw, and on their way.
Just perfect, it's just like being a bird, sitting there in your armchair, flying like a bird. Brilliant.